Hello, Brian here with Kiperts Tractors in Olympia, Washington for Massey Ferguson Tractors, and I want to sell you a tractor. Today I have an informational video on the optional mechanical thumb for the GC tractors with the backhoe. This is a mechanical thumb, but what I'll tell you, a lot of people say, oh, I want a hydraulic thumb. Well, in order to use this, you're going to use a hydraulics anyway. It just doesn't have its own hydraulic cylinder. So one thing I'll tell you is installing this is very easy. And I would tell you that you want to just rest the bucket on the ground, just ever so slight. And normally the tractor comes with a short pin that just goes through the bucket here. You have an 8mm Allen head screw on this end that you're going to remove. You'll tap out the short pin and you'll put in a longer pin that comes here with the thumb. Tighten that down, grease the zerk fitting, and then you're ready to go. The thumb has multiple positions that you can go, up and down. I'm going to use it on the lower one here, and I'll bring this up and I'll show you this in use. What you're going to do is you're going to use the bucket to pinch up against the thumb, which is stationary. Okay, come down here. Okay. Pick it up. This is great for logs, stumps, brush, rocks, you name it. Anything you need to pick up, you can do it hydraulically with the thumb, mechanical thumb. And then again, drop it wherever you want. All you have to do to drop it is just open up your bucket, and it'll drop it. Anyway, that is the mechanical thumb. We do stock these here at Kiperts here in Olympia, Washington. They're typically on the shelf, and they're a great tool or accessory to have for your tractor.